to Healthy Kadai. When we think of breakfast, poha is the first thing which comes to our mind. Can we make healthier version of regular poha we eat? Yes, it is Red Poha. Recently, Red Poha has gained much attention because of its various benefits like it helps in weight loss, good for digestion and can also be consumed by diabetic people. So today let's see how to make Red Poha in my kitchen, and then I will be also sharing the benefits of it. So let's get started. Before moving to the recipe, I would request you to please subscribe to Healthy Kadai and click on the bell icon so that you get regular updates of our new recipes. We will take 1 cup of red poha. Then we need to wash the poha. Wash it nicely with enough water. After washing, we will discard this water and then we need to soak the poha. Add enough water in poha for soaking. And now we will keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes. In a kadai, we will heat 1.5 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil gets heated, then we will add 1 tablespoon of Urad Dal, half a teaspoon of Cumin seeds or Zeera, half a teaspoon of mustard seeds or rye, along with 1 sliced green chilli, and we will add few curry leaves. Thereafter we will add sliced onions. Into this goes sliced carrot, sliced capsicum. You can add any veggies of your choice. Just saute it for a few minutes. We will also add half a cup of peas. We will add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, 1 teaspoonful of salt. Saute all the vegetables for 1 more minute. Thereafter we will add 1 chopped tomato. Once all veggies are done, we will add our soaked red poha. You can see it has absorbed all the water. Just gently mix it well with all the vegetables. Sprinkle little water and then we will cover it, cook for just 1 to 2 minutes, and then we will turn off the flame. Red poha is ready to serve. This is very nutritious, very healthy. You can serve it as a breakfast or even as an evening snack. We will garnish it with few roasted peanuts. And there you go. Your very healthy red poha is ready to serve. You can serve it with coconut chutney or even green chutney. Now that we know how to make red poha, let's see what is red poha actually and what are the benefits of it. Red poha is made up of red rice which undergoes much less processing as compared to the white rice. So basically, bran layer remains intact, which is rich in fiber, vitamin B, minerals like calcium, zinc, iron, manganese and magnesium, etc. So red rice is also enriched in antioxidants. The key benefits of consuming red rice is that it is high in nutrition, high in fiber, low in fats, a great source of iron, and it also helps in fighting against migraine problems. So friends, it is very healthy to consume red poha. You can surely give it a try. Friends, I hope you liked watching our video. Do share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.